Hi guys, hey friends, welcome to the new video. If you are a new subscriber below the video, it's gonna help my channel. Check out my Patreon if you wanna support me now. Today we're gonna combine a couple of modifiers on this cube to create interesting shapes, interesting stuff. So, I am in Blender. I'm gonna select my cube by the left click, go right here on the modifiers tab, left click right here, and I'm gonna choose screw modifier. And once again, I'm gonna click right here on the modifiers tab and I'm gonna add remesh modifier. And basically, I'm not gonna change on the remesh nothing. I can change the values right here. But if I'm gonna just play around on those two modifiers, we're gonna add different modifier later. Look, this already create interesting kind of shapes, yes, for me. If I'm gonna just grab right here a little bit, play around on those values right here, on this remesh and on this screw modifier. As you can see, I can create some very interesting kind of shapes, almost water kind of simulation, yes, using just those two modifiers. An interesting shapes. My advice, don't grab the remesh right here down below because your PC gonna blow up, okay? This is my advice on this first value. So you can play around, of course, and you can play around on this. As you can see, this creates very interesting kind of shapes to my cube. Yes, as you can see, you can play around. What next? As you can see, I can create even some particles uh, simulation. Now, using those two modifiers, we're gonna add right here second modifier, this cast or whatever it's called, right here. And if I'm gonna just play around on this stuff, as you can see, this creates very interesting, like I said, shapes. And you can play around to create, I don't know, something interesting. And you can change right here on this cast modifier or whatever it's called right here. So this kind of value, yes, and disable some, how to say, directions, yes, to create interesting kind of shapes. As you can see, let's go. And you can change to the third option to give this kind of boxy look, yes, to it. As you can see, let's go, and you can play around on those three modifiers, as you can see, to create very interesting shapes using just one box, one fucking cube. And you can try this on cylinder, gives different results. As you can see, we so you can use this, I don't know, to create some kind of keyframes. I'm gonna change this to the first option, to the circle look. As you can see, to create, I don't know, some sci-fi flowers or something like this, sci-fi objects even, yes. But look out basically what you're gonna create, as you can see, because the mesh basically gets distorted very easily, yes. So you can play around, of course, on those values. This is this kind of video, like combine those three modifiers, yes, on your stupid cube, and you can create, as you can see, even particles, kind of, how to say, animation, yes. As you can see, let's go particles, yes, or something, I don't know. You can play around on this stuff. You got how to say, basically just I want to say something stupid. Add screw modifier, remesh modifier. Don't change remesh. Of course you can change on the boxy stuff, but it doesn't give cool results. You can play on the remesh too, but don't crop, of course, the remesh up right here. Or keep it like that and play around. And like I said, don't crop the remesh down below because your PC gonna be on fire. And you can play around right here too, yes, to create these stupid fucking shapes, as you can see, very easily. Just play around. I love those kind of stuff. I don't know why. This is very like addictive. Like you don't know what is gonna happen. Just changes some values, as you can see, and you create very interesting fucking shapes just using three modifiers. As you can see, let's go. You can create very interesting fucking shapes. Yes. Oh shit, you can create even some kind of water, as you can see. Twisted water. Oh, let's go. Yes, this of course like I said, don't crop this very down because your PC gonna blow up. You can create very interesting, as you can see, some kind of water, even simulation, kind of, I don't know, interesting shapes. Just use cube and three modifiers. So I'm gonna delay this and once again show you. Select the cube on the modifiers right here on this icon if you are new. Go right here on the scroll, left click right here, choose remesh. And this already gives you cool kind of results. As you can see, yeah, I can play around on this stuff very easily and play around right here. Yes, particle system or portals or sci-fi stupid circles. Let's go, yes. And right here you can add this cast modifier right here and play around on this stuff, yes, to give this kind of different look. Yes, like I said, you can create interesting fucking shapes, and it's very addictive. I don't know why. This is like some kind of playing a game, or I don't know. My brain is messed up. Okay, so as you can see, we let's go. I can create something fucking stupid. Yes, like I said, you can change right here the position. Yes, you can dismiss some directions to create different fucking shapes. Yes, so I don't know what you're gonna use this it for. Some to create some sci-fi, I don't know, shapes basically. As you can see, we I can show you different stuff. Oh, this looks interesting. This is this kind of cubicle stuff. Yes, so as you can see, this gives very different results. I can create right here some circular stuff. Let's go. Whoa, what is going on? So yeah, thank you for watching this stupid video. See you on the another one, guys. Once again, screw, remesh, and cast or whatever it's called, and you can play around to create interesting shapes, as you can see. It isn't just those three modifiers, and play around on the remesh. So this basically disturb the fucking mesh, yes, on this cube. You can try on the different, how to say, on the different shapes, cylinder or different stuff. But my advice, don't add the object with match geometry, okay? With match subdivision, because your PC gonna blow up. Because basically this add, yes, this stupid shape, and this just disturb basically this stupid cube, as you can see, and creates interesting stupid shape. Thank you for watching, guys. See you on the next video. Bye, guys.